Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. Arthunjana, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator of PG Department of Commerce, Fakinwan University, Vyasabhyar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA CLASSES. Friends, आज हम discussion करेंगे the 50 vital MCQs from the business statistics. Friends, so I have prepared this 50 vital MCQs as for the prescribed syllabus for the ugc-net JRF for the subject of commerce. एंड फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलर फॉर द सेमिस्टर एग्जाम्सन लाइक इट्स द BCOM, MCOM, BBA, MBA, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा फॉर द इट्स दैट इज द SSB एंड PGT एग्जाम्सन. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन सो बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलर दैट इज द PG and PhD entrance for the subject of commerce management and other related subjects. So friends, it's the part 7. I have already posted the part 12. Kindly go through the playlist. It's the ugc-net JRF series as well as the PGT series for the subject of commerce as well as SSB series for the subject of commerce. So detail there I have already discussed. So friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे, मतलब हम कवर करेंगे द MCQs फ्रॉम द मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, मेजर्स ऑफ डिस्पर्शन, मेजर्स ऑफ स्क्यूनेस, कोरिलेशन एंड रिग्रेशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video, and very soon मतलब in the month of December you are going to appear the ugc-net JRF examinations. So before discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming, that is the ugc-net JRF examination as well as the board examination. So friends, without delay, friends, without wasting our golden time, let's start today's discussion one by one, the 50 MCQs. So friends, it's the part 13. I have already posted the 12 parts. So in the previous, that is the business statistics MCQ, so detail I have already discussed there. Kindly go through or visit to the playlist. So there you will get the detailed discussion. If again we discuss, then this will be the lengthy video and definitely you will get boring. So first one MCQ, when the values do not have the equal importance in a series, it is calculated whether the median or mode or a weighted mean or arithmetic mean. So friends, here C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, the method used to find the central value or average value of a statistical series, it's known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether average or median or central tendency, or it's the measures of central tendency. So friends, here D is the right option. The method used to find the central value or average value of a statistical series, it's known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, it's the measures of central tendency. Next one हम देखेंगे, sum of deviations from dash is always 0, whether the mean or median or mode or weighted mean. So friends, here A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे, from the following friends, which one is a mathematical average, whether mean or median or mode or it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So mean, median, mode are the mathematical average. Next one हम देखेंगे, it is a graphical device that lists all possible outcomes of a random experiment in a systematic way, and it's called, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether. So this MCQs from the probability, whether T diagram or pie diagram or it's the Venn diagram, or D it's both A and B. So friends, here A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, it refers to deviation of the various items of a series from their central value of the difference between any two extreme values of the series. So it's known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's the standard deviation or mean deviation, or it's the measures of dispersion, or it's the measures of variation. So friends, here C is the right option. So measures of dispersion refers to deviation of the various items of a series from their central value of the difference between any two extreme values of the series, and it's known as so it's the meaning of measures of dispersion. So next one हम देखेंगे a finite subgroup of a population is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether group or sample or census or statistics. No doubt friends. So B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे mean, median, deciles and percentiles are all regarded as what, whether it's हम क्या बोले positional average or mathematical average or moving average or sample average. So friends, here A is the right option. The median, decile, percentiles are all regarded as, or they are coming under the positional average. Next one हम देखेंगे what are the methods for measuring the dispersion of a series. So these are whether standard deviation, range, mean deviation, interquartile range, or and fifth one it's the median. So friends, select the right options from the following: A all the way except 2, B all the way except 4, C it's all the way except 5, D it's all the way. So right option is friends, so D. So these are all the methods which are used to measure the dispersion of a series. So friends, here D is the right option. So next one, the sum of deviations from the median is whether it's equal or 0 or the highest or lowest. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे the difference of mode and mean is equal to what would be the value. So first it's 2 into mean minus median, B it's 2 into mode minus mean, C it's 3 into mean minus median, D it's the mean minus median into mode. So friends, so this is the result, or the difference of the mode and mean is equal to what, 3 into mean minus median. So C is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is the suitable to measure, or the statistical methods to measure the dispersion, to measure the deviations of an open end series, whether quartile deviation or mean deviation or standard deviation or correlation. So friends, here A is the right option. So quartile deviation is suitable to measure the measure of dispersion, to measure the deviations of an open end series. Next one हम देखेंगे mode is the best measure of central tendency if the analysis is whether experimental data or exploratory data or descriptive data or nominal data. If friends, so here D is the right option. So in this situation, so mode is the best measure of central tendency if the analysis is and that is the nominal data. Next one हम देखेंगे measure of dispersion that is most affected by the extreme values is what, whether quartile deviation or mean deviation or range or standard deviation. So friends, in this situation C is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे the distribution in which the value of mean, median, mode are not equal. It's is the what would be the distribution, whether symmetrical distribution or asymmetrical distribution or exponential distribution or experimental distribution. So friends, here B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे a series is equal to have the negative skewness if A mode greater than median, greater than mean, B it's the median greater than mode, greater than, so it's a friends, so typing error is there, it's the mean, then mean greater than mode, greater than median, then D it's mean is equal to mode is equal to median. So friends, here A is the right option. So a series is equal to have the negative skewness if mode is greater than median, greater than mean. Next one हम देखेंगे a positively skewed distribution has the following characteristics. whether data is more concentrated on the right side of the distribution with a longer tail on the right. Second, it's a mean greater than median greater than mode. Third, mean greater than mode greater than median. 4, it's the skewness value is greater than 0. 5, it's a the statistical results are bent to the left. So friends, select the right options from the following. So what are the characteristics with regard to the positive skewed distribution? A, all the way except 2. B, it's all the way except 3. C, it's all the way except 5. D, it's all the above. So friends, here B is the right option. Matlab, this is not the what are the features or characteristics of that is the positively skewed distribution. So first, second, fourth and fifth. So these are the characteristics of a positively skewed distribution. So next one हम देखेंगे if the arithmetic mean is multiplied to the coefficient of variation, then the resulting value is what? What would be the resulting value? Variance or coefficient of mean, or it's the standard deviation, it's the mean deviation. So friends, here C is the right option. So friends, again I am telling, so what is the meaning of variance, what is the meaning of mean, as well the coefficient mean, what is the meaning of standard deviation, what is the meaning of mean deviation. Kindly go through the go to the playlist or visit to playlist. So there I have already discussed in detail by citing the suitable example. Next one हम देखेंगे, if the value of the mean, median and mode are equal, then the distribution is a normal distribution and the coefficient of skewness will be, what would be the result, whether equal or 0 or positive or negative. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे, which one is a summary, a measure that attempts or which attempts to describe a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or the center of its distribution, whether it's the mean or median or mode or measures of a central tendency. Friends, here D is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, it is a statistical method that uses a linear equation to model the relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So it's हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's the linear regression analysis or it's the non-linear regression analysis or multiple regression analysis or partial regression analysis. So friends, here A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे, population means mu is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether sample or parameter or variance or variable. So friends, here B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, which regression analysis examines how multiple variables affect each other and which variables are the most important and is used to understand how the changes in one variable impact another variable. Whether हम क्या बोलेंगे, it's first one is total regression analysis or non-linear regression analysis or multiple regression analysis or partial regression analysis. So friends, here A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे, which statements are correct with respect to the correlation coefficient, whether A, correlation coefficient is independent of the changes in origin and scale. Second, correlation coefficient value always lies between -1 and +1. Third, it's the positive correlation coefficient indicates that two variables move in the same direction. Fourth, it's the correlation coefficient between two independent variables is 0. Fifth one, it's the correlation coefficient is a statistical concept which determines the degree to which two variables move together. So friends, select the right options from the following. A, it's all the way except first. B, it's all the way except 3. C, it's all the above except 5. D, it's all the above. So friends, so right option is D. So these are all the statements are correct with respect to the correlation coefficient. So next one हम देखेंगे when R regression is equal to plus or minus 1, then the two regression lines will be whether the coincide or do not coincide, or are parallel to each other or are not parallel to each other. So friends, here A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे slope of the regression line of y on x is also called, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether its regression coefficient of x on y beats the regression coefficient of y on x, c its the correlation coefficient of x on y, d its the correlation coefficient y on x. So friends, here B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे when one regression line is negative and other one will be whether it's the negative or positive or zero, either negative or positive. So friends, here A is the right option. When one regression line is negative and other one will be also negative. So next one I'm thinking from the following select, friends, select the least likely assumption of a classic normal linear regression. Whether A is the independent variable and the dependent variable have a linear relationship, B it's the independent variable and the dependent variable have a non-linear relationship, C it's the independent variable is normal distributed, D it's there is no randomness in independent variable. So friends, here B is the right option. So next one is sum of deviation of individual items is taken from where we will take whether arithmetic mean or harmonic mean or geometric mean or it's the weighted average mean. So friends, here A is the right option. The sum of deviation of individual items is taken from normally the arithmetic mean. So next one हम देखेंगे mode is measured through the formula. कौन सा formula? Okay, whether mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, B it's mode is equal to 3 median plus 2 mean, C it's mode is equal to 3 mean minus 2 median, D it's mode is equal to 3 mean plus 2 median. So friends, here A is the right option. So the formula of mode can be calculated. Mode is equal to what is this? 3 median minus 2 mean. So next one हम देखेंगे friends, which statements are true with regard to the regression line. So here first one, regression lines are used to forecast future data. Regression lines are also known as the line of the average relationship or the prediction equation. Third, y-intercept always occurs. 4, its regression lines are used to calculate trend lines. It's fifth one, regression lines are based on the study of dependent and independent variables. So friends, select the right option from the following. A, it's all the way except 1, B it's all the above except 3, C it's all the above except 5, D it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So these all statements are true with respect to the regression line. Next one हम देखेंगे correlation coefficient is what? Whether the square of the coefficient of a determination, B it's the square root of the coefficient of a determination, then it's to quantify the strength of the linear relationship between two variables, D it's both A and B. So friends, here it's correlation coefficient is the square of the coefficient of determination as well as the square root of the coefficient of a determination. So friends, here D is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे it's the probability is associated with the reduced sample space is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether the mathematical probability or it's the statistical probability or it's the conditional probability, D it's both A and B. Here friends, so it's हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको conditional probability. Next one हम देखेंगे who is credited for the introduction or introducing the term regression, whether Francis Galton or Carl Pearson or R.A. Fisher or it's the William Shelley Coset. So friends, you have to remember it's A is the right option. For the regression analysis, the credit goes to whom? To Francis Galton. A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे median and quartiles will be determined through कौन सा कर्व होगा, whether frequency curve or Z curve or ogive curve or it's the Lorentz curve. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे correlation for the values of two variables moving in the opposite direction. क्या होगा, whether positive or negative or linear or non-linear. So friends, here in this situation B is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे weighted arithmetic mean shall be whether less than simple mean or simple mean or it's the greater than simple mean, C it's the equal to simple mean or D it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. Weighted arithmetic mean can be less than or greater than or equal to the simple mean. So next one हम देखेंगे the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean is what? Whether m square is equal to gm into hm or it's gm square is equal to am into gm, c it's gm square is equal to am into hm, d it's gm square is equal to am and into hm square. So friends, here it's the C is the right option. The relations between am, gm and hm is what? That is the gm square is equal to am into hm. So next one हम देखेंगे dependent variable is also known as in a particular, that is the regression analysis, whether regression or it's the regression or it's the independent variable or all the above. So friends, you have to remember B is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे plus and minus are ignored at the time of calculating what, whether the quartile deviation or it's the standard deviation, it's the mean deviation or weighted average mean. So friends, here C is the right option. So mostly, so it's that is the positive. So next one हम देखेंगे two variables x and y. There can be the maximum कितना लाइन होगा, whether one regression line or two regression lines or three regression lines or it's a four regression line. So friends, here A is the right option. For two variables x and y, there can be maximum one regression line. So next one हम देखेंगे standard deviation is always a dash mean deviation for a given set of observation, whether positive than or negative than or greater than or less than. So friends, here C is the right option. Standard deviation is always greater than the mean deviation for a given set of observations. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is the graphic method to study the dispersion, whether it's the frequency curve or Z curve or it's the ogive curve or it's the Lorentz curve. So friends, here D is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे Spearman rank correlation can take a value from whether it's the -1 to +1, whether -1 0, whether it's the +1 to -1 or D it's +1 and +2. So friends, here it's the C is the right option. Spearman rank correlation can take from the value it's the +1 to -1. So next one हम देखेंगे कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस इज ए कौन सा टाइप का एनालिसिस होगा, वेदर द बाइवेरिएट एनालिसिस और यूनिवेरिएट एनालिसिस और मल्टीवेरिएट एनालिसिस और द ऑल द अबव. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखें कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन हाइट एंड वेट इज वेदर नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव और इक्वल और जीरो. फ्रेंड्स, सो हियर बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन हाइट एंड वेट इज पॉजिटिव. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल्स कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड थ्रू कौन सा मेथड होगा, वेदर स्पीयरमैन्स मेथड्स और कार्ल-पियर्सन मेथड्स और रैंक कोरिलेशन मेथड्स. डी इट्स बोथ ए एंड बी. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर D is the right option. Matlab the Spearman methods and the Karl Pearson method will be used for the calculation of the coefficient of correlation between two variables. Next one हम देखें, coefficient of correlation is a mathematical method which measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. It is हम क्या what? So Karl Pearson coefficient correlation with the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, whether it's a the rank correlation method or it's a whether it's a none of these. So friends, here A is the right option. So coefficient of correlation is a mathematical method which measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between the two variables. It is the Karl Pearson coefficient correlation. So next one हम देखेंगे, what are the properties? It's a friends, last but not least the vital MCQs. What are the properties of a Spearman's rank correlation coefficient? First one, the coefficient can range from -1 to +1. A positive coefficient indicates the positive monotonic relationship. Third, it's a negative coefficient indicates a negative monotonic relationship. Third one, it's a coefficient of +1 indicates the perfect association of ranks. Fourth one, it's a coefficient of -1 indicates the perfect negative association of ranks. Fifth one, it's the coefficient of 0 indicates no association between the risks. Sixth one, correlation does not necessarily imply a causal relationship between two variables. Next, it's the select the correct option from the following. A, it's all the above except 3. B, it's all the above except 4. C, it's all the above except 6th. D, it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option. So these are the properties of what? The Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So friends, so these are all about the 50 vital MCQs. So again, I am requesting to all of you friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. Again, I am requesting to all of you, if you like this video lecture, kindly you subscribe my channel, kindly you share this video, kindly you forward this video. So thanks a lot to all of you. So again, before concluding our discussion, so wishing all the very best for your upcoming, that is the ugc-net JRF examination as well as the board examination.